internet. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, good something. Hello. We're recovering from a data corruption issue. I've been able to fix all of it, or almost all of it. So that's pretty good. I feel pretty good. So I did a couple things. Following that, I actually implemented lighting, so that's cool. And today we're doing more boring-ish things, but we're still doing things, so that's good. You'll notice there's no music anymore because Twitch removed. Well, last time I streamed, Twitch blocked my audio, and that's kind of shitty. So yeah, it's playing here, but it's not playing in there anymore. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna try not to be too silent. Let's go. Let's do it. Right. So let me see you. Let me show you. See you what we're at right now. This is what we're doing. Right now. All right. So I actually changed. Let's see. Hello. Stop dying on me. All right. So I did last time. Well, one of the last times, I showed you these things to edit dialogues. This isn't super practical. Like, I could probably have done it in like this kind of interface, but I figured why not do it like properly, like Dialogger does. So I'm starting to build this node editor for dialogue. So it's gonna replace this window. Come on. It's gonna replace this window and this window. So these two windows get combined into this one. These nodes are now dialogues. Like, I had the names the other way around. So nodes are now like dialogues, and each dialogue contains nodes, which are these things. We did a couple features out of that, which were normal and random and choice. Normal for just normal text, and then random for random between all of these. So I could have A, B, C, D, and E, and each time you would trigger the dialogue, it would show one random. So we needed that, and a choice where you say something and yes, and then you answer yes, and then something happens. So let's go. Let's do it. What you guys think? I think it's pretty cool now. Good morning. Right, so let's finish this off today. I really want to get done with this because I'm tired of working with dialogues and data and shit. I want to do like game stuff, features, enemies, cool things. So right. I was right before I started the stream, I was first eating, and now I was trying to place this blue button here, which is gonna be like the connector. So if I can't add nodes right now, but if I had a second one, I could actually link the nodes together, and that's the button you click to trigger the linking process. So let's do it. Let's do it. Here. Alright. So these are the tests I did. And this is like the stuff. This is the random, this is the choice window, right? So right now, these squares are a bit off, and they disturb the label placement. It's kind of shitty. I'm not sure why it does that. let's try setting a height to this label here. So working with the Unity GUI is both fun and shitty at the same time, because you can do a lot of stuff, but it isn't documented, like almost not documented at all. So it's kind of hard to do stuff with it. But when you get like used to it, it's kind of cool. I dig it. Right, so it's not the labels I wanted to have this height, it's the text box. So here you go. I'm not sure why like the button creates that margin there. Yeah, it's worse. It's worse. Cause see here in the random thing, I have these buttons here on the right, and it was the same deal. Like this row of buttons was pushing down the thing and adding a margin there. It's shitty. I hate it. Like I'm not sure why it creates the space. Whatever. What I can do is actually here start a vertical layout. So this vertical and horizontal business, like you see there's vertical here and horizontal here. When you lay out stuff, you have to contain the controls in blocks. So let's say I do a horizontal section. Well, every block, every control I'm going to place in that block is going to be like laid out like this, horizontally, and same goes for vertically. So like this is a an horizontal group, and this is a vertical group inside the horizontal group. So you have to do groups, a lot of groups. So yeah, that's what these things are. So we're gonna end this vertical. So I created a vertical group there, so I can actually place a space there. So let's do like 5 pixels spacing. Gotta update. Boop, 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 boop. All right. So yeah, I have to. Wow, this is kind of cool. I'm not sure why this is happening. Woo! This is very trippy. All right. It seems aligned, but I need to remove this. Let's go. All right. Cool. So that works. But the thing is that, oh yeah, let's see. Here I have to say this group is actually, oh, you know what though? I could probably try this height. So it's 16 high, and it's layout width 16. So it's a square, 16 by 16. So now the text box is gonna take like all the space. Right. So see, that works. That actually works. These boxes are like a pixel too high, maybe. So let's drop them by a pixel. So we gotta add this to our space. I'm not sure why I'm getting this spacing with the, like this kind of space. This works. I like it. I should probably have a state for these buttons, these connected buttons. where like gray is not connected and blue is connected. Let's try it out. I think I'm gonna move that choice label to the left of the thing. I could actually like this. So we're gonna see how much space it takes, and then I'm gonna shrink it because it's gonna take like probably half or something. I'm not sure how that works. The whole GUI thing. See, it works, but it's taking a lot of space. So I'm actually gonna like shrink that down. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see this in the stream. I'm going to measure the space. No, probably not. So this is so 50 pixels should be good. Let's try 50 pixels. UI layout that width 60. Let's try 60 pixels first. Boing. It's not even me. I have no friends, or almost no friends. See, that works. That's perfect, I think. I think that's perfect. So I actually have all my my mock-ups done. So like these are all, well, I guess I could like fix this expanding thing. Because now it's expanding, but it's not shrinking. I guess I could try something, maybe like unorthodox, but nah. I could try like, where's my window drawing code? It's here. So like I could do for the window I'm actually on right now. So for the current window, grab its current position rect and grab its height and set it to like 1. So now it should expand properly. Boop. It's gonna make it lag though, like a lot. So now if I actually go into random and add text, it's gonna work, and if I go back to normal, it's gonna shrink back down. So that's cool. So that kind of works, but like it's laggy. Like I don't like it how it's laggy. So let's try to fix these. I'm actually gonna do a demo of how it works after I'm done like fixing the things and having them connect. It's gonna be like maybe clearer. So I guess I could like having it resize only when changing I need to store the previous I'm not sure what to do. like, yeah, let's do it. Let's do this. Let's actually do a public type. Previous type, maybe. So now if I go back here, could do that here actually. So if Windows ID, so the current window is equal to no, Windows ID dot previous type, then Windows ID dot current position the height equals 1, and then previous type equals Windows ID the type, right? So that should have it resize. I need to like consolidate these into a method. This, like this. Yep. All right, so that's normal. And I did random, and here's the choice window. All right. So it should work, maybe. Alright, so we've lost the lag, actually. It's kind of moving groovy. So see, like, it changed size. So that's good, I like it. Alright. So now I have to make these things work now. That's the thing. I want to make these button work first. I have problems with my data structures now. Okay, whatever. Let's just do that. We'll fix data structures after. So, where's my here? Draw random, and I should have buttons here. There we go. So, if we click the X, do something. It's easy. It's just like Windows ID. That choice text. Yes. I not remove that. I had to swap thing somewhere. Oh, my eye's itching. Dialog editor. Is that it? Should have something to swap things in a list. I'll move up, move down. There we go. I actually have an extension method. That's kind of cool. So I can swap. It needs a type. So here, if. So I'm probably gonna have to check if it's the first Windows ID text swap. This -1. All right. Let's move up, and moving it down is the other thing. So if I equal to 0, do that. Where's the 4? It's here. I'm gonna have problems with this connector button. I'm gonna have to fix it. It's fine. If I isn't equal to this minus 1. Doop, 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 doop. And do this, and then we're gonna have to well, that's not what I wanted, but that works. So like this. Right. And then it should be that, but plus 1. So let's just like see if this works. It would be cool if it worked. I have to make this button work too. This one works already. I can remove it. I can't add it yet. So right, this is the first and the last, so it doesn't both don't show up. So if I add one, B, and then C. So this one is placed correctly. This one isn't placed correctly, and this one either. So let's try moving it down. It works. Cool. All right. I'm not sure why it's useful because they're random anyways, but I put it there because I could. All right. Can I remove them? Yes. When I remove them, I should be resetting its height. Windows ID. That current position, that height equals 1. So trigger resize. Let's add 1, 2, and then remove 1. Add plenty. So see, like, there's more space on this one, and I'm not sure why. In fact, on all of these. So these can move around. I can remove some freely. All right, let's fix these one button. So I guess I'm just missing like this square, like the height of the button plus the space. So that's 16 plus 5, that's 21. So let's do something. Let's do here. Let's do float connector margin. Right now it's 0. So so you don't add anything. Let's just try it. Like 1 plus equal 19. 21 I said, right? 21. And 21. It's not gonna work. Because I don't have to add that, I have to add like what's left. Yeah. So it should be 24 when I have both. So it's 12. If they both exist, it's 12. So I guess I should be doing minus. And finding what's the bigger margin. I'll be right back. So right. So the maximum should be 24. I guess that's 21, right? Oh my god. So 63. This is weird. Right, right. Just got to push it. 2 pixels. That was almost right. 65. I want to push it another pixel. Let's do that. 66. All right. That works. Cool. So I can actually move them around and delete them. And I guess you can't remove the last one too, right? Because you need half text. So 42, because that's double, right? Not sure what's going on. I don't understand. Right, it's because I need to push it another 21 pixels, that's why. 87, maybe, I'm not sure. That's fine. Yeah. It has to be double, right? Because we're removing, well, we're adding 2 buttons. There we go. If I remove these, it works. Up, down, both, nothing, remove. Good. No, I don't. Alright. guess we could do the add node thing. So here we have add a child node. So this should go away. And then we could say if this. We need a new method for that. We can call it add node to current dialog. With the you just need to add a window. Yeah, so I'm just gonna need Windows ID current position. So I'm gonna need a rect for this. Generate. So we're gonna do the Windows.add and create instance of node window as node window. Right. Well, actually, we're gonna do that instead. We're gonna do node window. So we're gonna create the window first. Call it new window. I'd never do that. Let's do it the other way. New window that current position equals rect created from, so this, and we're gonna do new window that current position dot x plus equals like the width plus a margin of like 30, and then we're gonna add it. So this should add windows now in our super cool editor. Oh, I crashed it. Oh no. Alright. Oops. Oh, it's just because it's the random. Right, so we can now instantiate nodes. So I'll remove these. So I can add one now. Random, and it works. Just, and then we're going to be able to link these together. Cool. Alright. I think I'm at the part where I want to connect things. Now this requires some thinking, because well, actually, I have this, right? And this. I guess I'll use this. But the thing is that I think, like, I have to guarantee order in these lists. It's kind of shitty. Let's just try it anyways. So I have these methods. Right, so let's do so if we're clicking a connector button, I think I'm still in the random. Yes, let me grab the this the add child node thing. This isn't going to work. I'm gonna have to change this at some point. Here, like that. Boom. Cold. Yes. Gonna work in the normal thing for now, or yeah, I started here. Let's just do it here. Connecting nodes is true. Now I think I have something already going on for this. Yeah. This mod scared me. Fuck. You go away. I don't like you. Alright. Alright, so if I just click, like, it's gonna work now. Oh, clicking these is gonna work. Come on. But it starts from there. And it goes to my mouse. Whee! Like, alright. So now the thing is that I have to, like, know where I clicked. So I guess I could do, so I need something, I need a new vector 2 here. Am I using this? Let's just try to rename it. Position. That's it. Right, so I have this. So we could do start position equals this Windows position. Oh, well, I guess I have to do dot x. Plus node window dot node window width minus, like, I don't know, 16 maybe, or like -8, and start position dot y equals so I guess it's like this plus this times the number of dialogues I have. So like random. So I guess I need this plus this. So let's try things. Well, let's actually measure it and see. That's like 193. It's 200. Okay, let's do it. Let's try that. Let's try that. That. The fuck? Here. Alright. a second, guys. Forgot to unhost. All right. Let's try this again. So, yeah, the position should be like 190 plus like, I don't know. I don't know. Something like 100 times ID. I don't know. Let's try that. It should work. No, it's not gonna work because I didn't change the thing. The thing. Here has to be start position. So these are all gonna like fucking reset. Yeah, this isn't working. I guess the scroll here has to do with it. All right. Start position is fucked. Why? Oh, because the number isn't good, Devanek? What you think? Well, I guess I have like... Let's just be safe and do with... with this. Kaboom. Bing bang. Baklau. So let's just do this probably has to do like with like this. This has to do. And let's just do from the upper left corner. So it should always come out of the box. No way. No way. That's fucked up. But is it consistent? That's what I want to know. Current position no white is fucked. It looks pretty consistent. Yeah, yeah. Let's just do X and Y maybe? I don't know. That's the shitty part, because I don't have access to like where this is. Because like this is 0, so it's kind of working. Like it's always there. Well, you know what? I have this. I have a dot current dot mouse position. So I could do this. Let's try this instead. Start position equals this. No, don't play. There's nothing to play. No, you know what? I think I know why. Because I need okay, let's go back to what we were doing before. And I need on the Y I need the toolbar height, so that's 17 pixels. Let's do 17 there. Right, so now it works. It actually works. From the corner. So I guess I could do plus Windows ID current position dot width, and it should start at the other end of the box now on top. Yes, it starts from the top of the box now. That's cool. I like it. So now let's find the offset. So Y has to be plus. So let's do 190. That's what I had. So that's almost it. Go away, you. So let's do 100. Because I need it like up until this box here. So that way I can like increment for each I have after that. Like, it's gonna be easy for the other ones. That's almost it. Let's do I need this in my like this one and then this one. Let me close this and that. Cool. It's like 110. Right, so now I can actually do this. It's still gonna be there, right? So now what I have to do is so that's the offset. That has to be static. And then I know which one I'm at right now, so I could do plus 100. Yeah, 100 times I plus 1. because it can't be 0. Let's try that. Let's try that. Right. I'll be back. People of the internet, I am back. Good morning. No, wait. So we were doing offsets. So like order of mathematical stuff here. So that's a bit less than that. So let's do times like maybe 95. Right, less than that. So let's do 90. Right, so I'm satisfied with that. Like maybe like 2 pixels down. So 92. But now the thing is that I want like to add more and see what it does. Like, see. So that works. And that's way off. So I guess I have to calculate this distance. Yeah. And then this should connect to like something that should be here. Boop. Damn. This should actually work from anywhere now. Except if I'm scrolled that way. Yeah. So I have to do minus scroll. Let's do that first. Let's do the excess has to be minus scroll. That fixes it. So maybe like 10. So that's 102. First one should still work. So it's gonna be off. Yeah, I'm not missing much though. Like 5 maybe. So 6, let's do 6. Let's do 7. That's too much. Let's remove one, it will be good. 84 and then 108. There we go. So now we got to fix the scroll thing. It's perfect. Like, I mean, we're not gonna have like that much. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine with me. So scroll is an issue. So am I missing the sidebar? Is it because of the sidebar? Normal, and I want this one. Because I moved them this way, right? So maybe if it plus, but I'm not sure it's gonna work. So yeah, see? So if I scroll, it's just way off. Like, what's happening? Yeah, because the thing is that, like, it's not scrolling. Let's go. So that works, and like that works, but this. Because the position of the window remains unchanged. So I want to see what's the scroll like right now. When I click that button, I should be inside, right? So scroll's at 300 right now. That's 459. Should be 0 now. Why is it 300? That's right. Because of the sidebar. That motherfucking sidebar. That's why. It's weird, like, I really, like, it's weird, that thing. I hate it. Right, minus this. Minus scroll. Minus this. And this should work. Still gonna have the problem of scrolling when choosing things. So now this should work. Yes. Yes. Like, this is perfect. Cool. Although this means that like I should be able to connect things now. The other connecting point should be here, I guess. Like right here. Should have another kind of connector. So let me bring Photoshop. The Photoshop. I guess this square could be some kind of kind of like disabled gray. This could be not connected. So let's save this as connector not connected. It's a small. Sprites, and then Let's write scripts. Editor and then resources. Cool. Say that here. So like, yeah, this is gonna work. Cool. Not you. Go away, you. This one. So here, like even before all this happens, I should have a GUI button. And now its position has to be 5, I guess, and it's a 16 by 16 icon. So now I just got to do a resources. Resources dot load, and it's a texture 2D. It's like a small connector, not connected, and it should be good. It should show up. Yes, it works, and it's perfectly placed as well. Just gonna move it a couple pixels to the left. If you're wondering why it has a border, it's because I didn't tell it to remove it. So right here you can do GUI style dot none. So yes, bob none. X should be like, I don't know, 10. It's a bit big though. Doesn't really have space. I guess I could actually like just give it some space, right? Where's my, I have this. Come back here, you. It's my editor skin. So let's do that's a window, and I want some padding at the top, so let's do 35. That's good, I guess. What if I remove some border up top? Does nothing. If I do 0, it could have me this cool looking gradient though. 8. Well, let's do 4. Like, because it changes nothing. What's this do? Oh, I think it's just yes, all right. Then well, I guess that was 25 before, right? Yes. Let's do 30. And push this down a couple pixels. It's gonna be all good. This one X, Y, let's do 8. Good. So I want to push it another pixel. 11. Right. Good. So like It should be connected like that. So I guess okay. Let's do some data wrangling now. All right. This is like the not so fun part, because now it's gonna be just like data, hard data in organization, and I kind of hate it, but whatever. I have to do it anyways. All right. So now this data structure, like each, let's go back into Unity. Each of these windows have like, can only have one parent, and that makes sense because you can't like, oh no, you could have multiple parents because it could come from multiple nodes into another one. Like this one could go there and this one could go there. So that's two different parents. And you can have multiple children as well, because like that's the first children, that's the second children. But here's the deal. You can have this, this, and this, but these are all from the same node, the same instance of this class. So this list is kind of bogus. This one. So this should be this. I think I need another scriptable object to contain like where they're going, because for each choice I can have a link, because like for each of these you have one of those. It's almost as if every choice is an instance of this class, but it isn't really. It's just a link, so I'm trying to like consolidate that. How could we do this?